I'll talk a lot about plants and the values of plants, and hopefully that brings back a better understanding of how much value there is around us. So the best place to forage is your own garden. Why is that? Because this would be the place where you know what's happening. You know how many dogs there are, who spray what, a bit of history of the soil. This would be the place where you are familiar with what's happening and you get to know the plants growing. If you don't have a garden, you forage when you walk every day, the places that you know. The best place to forage, your own garden. So here is a couple of typical examples you will find in your backyard, pretty much all over the world. Amazing food, amazing medicine, and very easily recognizable by the shape of the leaves. Dandelion in French means dandelions. It means lion's tooth. Very similar to another plant that is also in your backyard, which is this one. This one is false dandelion or flatweed. And if you put one leaf next to the other, you will spot the difference. From the start, one is smooth and the other one is hairy. One is thin, the other one is thick. And more importantly, the tooth. Dandelions got sharp teeth, flatweed does not. Of course, your neighborhood is full of food. There is trees, there is trees overhanging over fences in your neighborhood. So all you need to know is map your neighborhood. Work out where all of the good trees are and then go and check on them and be ready for the seasonal abundance. For example, here's a mango. It's just fruiting now and it's not ready yet. Maybe 2-3 months. Here's a nectarine. It's already full of fruit, but it's not ready yet. Maybe another couple of months, but the mulberries here are ready now. Seasons are important. You want to follow seasons because that's when the fruit is at its best. These mulberries, nearly at the end of it, right now are just amazing. We're gonna turn them into something beautiful. Follow us. So here we have it, a big nice container of fresh mulberries. These are super juicy, just amazing little sweet treats right now all over Sydney. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn them into a paste, a mulberry paste, a bit like the Queen's paste. And the mulberry juices will melt with the sugar. Fantastic, beautiful. And we want the lemon juice. Put it to the mix, slowly boiling away, doing its things, melting the sugar. And you want to boil it for 2-3 minutes in order to everything to just come together. And then you wanna whiz it all up with the stick blender, and all of this you will then put into a little mold and to make it a beautiful paste and turn your amazing mulberry into a mulberry paste.